What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to add friends and invite them to your game party on Steam. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Open up your Steam client. While hovering over your username, navigate to Friends. Here you can preview your current friend list. When clicking on Add a Friend, you will be presented with a range of options to add a user on Steam. You can enter the friend code to invite them to connect on Steam. You can preview your own friend code from here. Below, copy and send the invitation link, which will, when opened in your browser, show your Steam profile and ask if you wish to add the user. This will require the user to log into their Steam account on the browser version. Lastly, you can simply enter the username to find your Steam friend. This is a less reliable option, as a lot of users share the same username or change their name from time to time. In the Pending Invites tab, you can preview all of your incoming and outgoing pending invites. You should also make sure that you didn't block the user, as they will otherwise not be able to connect with you on Steam, and you will not get any invite notification from them. After accepting the friend invite, click on the Friends and Chat icon on the bottom right of your window. From here, you can search for the user and right-click them to invite them to chat, or invite them to your game in case you are already in-game. Make sure that your online status is set to online, in order for the invitation to go through. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.